red.
In just over 2 minutes, a full day of sporting action begins on Grandstand, which includes cricket, athletics, show jumping and soccer, the first classified check of the season. First on BBC1, we check up on the weather prospects with Michael Fish.
Good morning to you. Well, weather more appropriate to the football season, all right, in the north, but I think it's still certainly cricket weather for southern areas, and there's quite a division in the weather across the country today, because the southern half of the country, still with this ridge of high pressure, will be enjoying a good deal of sunshine and a very warm afternoon indeed. But this cold front's made quite a difference to Scotland and Northern Ireland. It's a fairly weak affair. It's only got a few spots of rain on it, but more important, it has introduced much cooler northwesterly winds, and coming along behind the front, there's a good deal of cloud as well. It is, though, fortunately fizzling out, and as it creeps just a little bit further south, I think come the end of tonight or the first part of tomorrow, we can virtually forget it, and then for the rest of the holiday weekend, Monday as well, we're going to find the high pressure back dominating the scene, ensuring dry weather just about everywhere with a fair amount of sunshine, although there's still a question mark over some of these east coast areas where the wind may come in off the North Sea and keep it rather chilly and bring in some patchy cloud. However, let's look at today in more detail now, and it is, as I said at the beginning, really a north-south split. So really for the bulk of England and Wales, simply a dry afternoon, a good deal of sunshine, in fact unbroken sunshine in a good many places, and the temperature reaching as high as 27 centigrade, which is 81 Fahrenheit. Just the chance of a patch or two of cloud coming into the extreme southeast there, as well as in the Channel Islands, but you're still going to have some sunshine nevertheless. In the more northern areas of England, though, the cloud will probably tend to thicken as the afternoon goes on. You'll lose the best of the sunshine, and temperatures there not so high as a result. In Scotland and Northern Ireland, certainly more in the way of cloud. Here and there, I think, a little brightness, maybe just a glimpse or two of the sunshine, but mostly a cloudy afternoon and start to the evening, and here and there a spot or two of rain or drizzle as well. The same division actually this evening and tonight. That means Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern parts of England on the cloudy side, probably mostly dry though, and one or two breaks in the cloud scattered around. England, central and southern parts of England and Wales, a fine dry night once again, and there's every chance that before the night's out there'll be some mist and fog as well.
Starting at 3:15 this afternoon, BBC2 will be rocking round the clock with 15 hours of rock films, concerts and documentaries. The offerings include 10cc live in concert, the movie American Graffiti, and much, much more to keep you happy until 6:15 tomorrow morning. Here on BBC1 now, at 10:55, it's time for Grandstand.
Hello, good morning. I suppose today is the day that the wind of change blows through the nation's sporting habits. Day one of the Football League season. It's called the Cannon League now as a result of sponsorship, and we're all geared up for it here on Grandstand. Now, at 12:15 today, I'll be letting you in on a few of our secrets here in the studio and how we plan to bring you the best football service you can possibly get again this season. Well, that's all at 12:15, but we started early, of course, to bring you play